Hi there, students. Arraignment. Arraignment. A noun. A countable noun. I think it'd probably also be uncountable. And also as a verb, to arraign. So to arraign means to formally accuse somebody in a court of law of a particular crime. Yeah, this is where the person has to say, are you guilty or not guilty? This is where you plead guilty or not guilty. This is the first step in a criminal process where the defendant is formally charged of doing something. So the arraignment will be on Thursday at 5 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, so that's very technical and very legal. But you could use this word in your essays to say, to arraign somebody, to accuse somebody of doing something, or to complain about them. So politicians are often arraigned in the press for doing the things that they should not be doing and not doing the things that they should be doing. Yeah. Okay. So to call somebody to account, to criticize them. Yeah. He was arraigned for his ungentlemanly behavior. Yeah, to accuse, to complain about somebody. But notice this is a fairly formal word. Yeah. The emergency workers were arraigned for not doing their duty, criticized, condemned, attacked, censured. Okay, so either you can use it legally, which is going to be very technical. The defendant was arraigned and pleaded not guilty. But use this to arraign, meaning to criticize, but to criticize in a very formal sense. Yeah. He arraigned the banking system for the many faults that made it unfair for the users of the banking system. Yeah, he arraigned the committee as for being biased. Yeah, for not looking at the question fairly. Okay, so to complain about, to accuse of. Okay, but as I said, fairly formal. I think to arraign, I'm going to give this 7 informality. I definitely wouldn't use it in an informal conversation or a semi-formal one. Use it in a semi-formal writing, in one of your exam writings, or a formal one, to say, to accuse somebody of something, or to criticize somebody to something. Yeah, or to ask somebody to explain their actions. Okay, so the Board of School Governors was arraigned for not taking action about the problem of drugs within the school. Okay, so to arraign. As to origin, okay, this comes from Old French, arraigner, to address or to verify, from modern French, arraisonner, to verify or to arraign. Yeah, so I think that's verification of whether the person admits to what they've done or not. Yeah, so to arraign, to officially charge somebody in a court of law. The Americans use this a lot more than the Brits, but you have an arraignment in British justice system as well. And then to arraign, to call somebody to account, to accuse them, to complain about them. So yeah, the press, as I said, the press is always arraigning the politicians for their dishonest conduct. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To Arraign.